Hello friends, Namaskar. This is Sidhnath Prasad. Many viewers face difficulties while downloading EPF calculator in Excel file given in the description box. Therefore, I decided to make one video on how to download Excel file from Google Drive. See here in YouTube, this is my channel. Click on this. Here is description box. Click on show more. This is the link to download the EPF calculator. Click here. Now this is the EPF higher pension calculator, but this is in view mode only, so you cannot use here. You have to download the calculator. Click on file, go to download, go to Microsoft Excel, click here. This file has been downloaded. See at the left bottom, click here, show in folder. It is downloading. Close it, open again. Now this is here, EPF higher pension calculator has been downloaded. Click here, maximize it. Now see, this is the calculator you can use here. This is editable. See, the value is changing. Joining month June, joining year 11. You can change here and use it. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.